Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Let me share my screen. So today, we are going to discuss about certification maintenance exams. Okay. So once you log into the Trailhead Academy, so there you have to go with your profile and hit up the profile icon here. So after that, you can see list of certification maintenance exams you have due. Okay. So previously we completed this CPQ administrator, it has been done and it should be reflecting max 6 hours to 24 hours. It should be reflecting your portal itself. Okay. So no need to panic about that. Fine. So now we are going to complete certified platform administrator maintenance exam. Okay. So complete this one. Okay. So I can share these links to in comment, description box, you can take it from there itself. So now complete this one, hit on this arrow. So I already went these all the key points, like modules, etc. So I can go with directly to the question and answers. So if you want, if you have time, you can go through that, or else you can follow my videos. So you will be able to clear all the certification maintenance exams. Okay. So now let's start with question and answers. So I already completed these modules by reading all these things. If you want, you can go through that. Yeah, before verifying this challenge, you need to cross verify all the things so that you can able to complete successfully without any disturbance. Okay, so now I'm going to verify. Yeah, successfully completed. Okay, so these changes should be reflecting next 6 hours or else 24 hours to take. Those changes should be reflecting here certification maintenance exams, it should be showing active. Okay, so now it should be showing a maintenance due, right? So after completion of that it will take 6 hours or max 24 hours. So after that it should be active status only. No need to panic about that. Okay, if you have any questions or doubts, you can comment on video so that I can answer your questions. Okay, thank you, thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.